Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm not in my usual place, I'm in my natural habitat.
How's the bass drop to work?
Jensen. Gotta have a bass drop in it. Gotta love that bass drop. I'm actually tired and it is about just coming up to 20 past. I'm pretty much shattered. I've still got to go until about 11 o'clock. I really don't know anymore. My face is so screwed up. And yeah, this is what it looks like up where I'm camping. That. I don't have night vision, so, or anything else, but you probably won't see Jack. You might be able to. No, but you'll be able to see me. That's the other tent. We got a couple of other people here with us. You might see my dad in the other vlog, but I think that's it for tonight. See you guys later. Adios.